Welcome once again to my channel. Sar Skincare is the name. If you are stopping by for the very first time, you are highly welcome. And to my all the new subscribers, God richly bless you for being with me so far. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your own Milky facial cream. This one is a tutorial video, the same thing as pro mixing. Yes, guys, we are going to mix some product together. Let's get back to my workstation and make this Milky facial cream together. Remember to subscribe. Also, turn the notification bell, like, share, and comment. I love you guys. Let's go and watch the video to the end. Let's start to make our facial cream. Guys, first, get a clean sanitized container and scoop in 4 of our Nature Secret facial cream. This Nature Secret facial cream can be used like that. If you are caramel skin and you have pimples or dark spot on your face, please try to use it only at night and come back and testify with it. Yes, but we are using 4 pieces of this one. 4 pieces of this one. Yes, I have used it before, but right now I'm using my organic facial cream. So guys, you can also contact me and get your facial cream if you can't do it. And my next ingredient will be my golden facial cream. This golden facial cream is also very nice. It glows the skin, it lightens the skin, and it contains some screen and also vitamin E, so it is very nice. We are using only 1 piece. Yes, guys, I said what? 1 pieces of it, just one, only one. Just scoop it, add it to the Nature Secret argan face cream. Nature Secret argan face cream, add it, guys. Yes, add it and mix it very well. Mix it very well. After mixing it, then you add in your frankincense oil. Frankincense oil, we are going to add in only 15 drops. And I love frankincense oil because it facing green veins, it facing skin problems. It is very good. Guys, let me stop here for you to subscribe to my channel. Also, turn on notification bell. Please like, share, and comment. Remember to always subscribe to my channel. Be part of our family. Yes, in this channel, we talk about skincare. So what are you waiting for? Be part of my channel here. After adding your 15 drops of your frankincense oil, guys, please try to stir it very well. Try to stir the Nature Secret argan facial and also the golden facial very well. And our next ingredient will be our kojic acid serum. Kojic acid serum is very good serum which lightens dark spots. It glows the skin. It brightens the skin. Sometimes it will whiten the skin, but it won't give it more than what you are expected. So this one we are going to add in only teaspoon, 1 teaspoon. And our next ingredient will be our rosehip oil. Rosehip oil is also essential oil which repairs the eye. Yes, the dark eye, it will repair it, and I love it. It is one of the best facial oil. So for that one, we are going to add in 2 tablespoons of our rosehip oil into this mixture, and you mix it very well. Try to stir it very well. Try to mix it thoroughly. Please, guys, yes, try to stir it very well and also incorporate it very well. Then you stir everything. After that, you are way to go. Use it at night and bring your testimony. Thank you for always supporting Sir by watching my video and liking. Please share my video. God bless you for doing that, and see you in my next video. Bye bye. I love you guys.